Hello there, welcome to 28 Days of Airstream Renovation, Day 2. We've got a lot to tackle today, a lot of little projects to prep for the bigger projects, but first we need to run to Home Depot. So we're gonna go do that and we'll see you in a minute. But before we do that, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the little bell next to it so you can follow along with this 28 days of Airstream renovation, plus all of our travels after we get it finished. Okay, we're gonna go to Home Depot. I'll see you in a minute. Today I would like to get more of the glue removed from the wall and fill some more holes. So we got some supplies. Let's go check on our holes that we filled yesterday. All right, they dried pretty nicely. Let's get this sanded. Got my handy dandy mask because the dust is bad. Safety glasses. I think it's time to Dremel some more of these holes. And check out in the bedroom. There are just a massive amount of holes in the wall. It's insane. So I'm gonna Dremel out all of these holes today so that we can start filling them. So we've gotten these pretty smooth. I'm gonna smooth them out a little bit more and then they will be ready for filler. Well, it seems as though I have run out of battery in my Dremel, so I'm going to charge this and move on to a different project. I think next I'm going to measure out the template for the teak mats we're getting made for our shower floor. So let me go put this on the charger and then we'll go do that. So I wanted to show you this template kit we got. It was $10 from a company called Teakworks for You. I believe they're in Minnesota. Anyways, I'll put a link in the description. Here's what it looks like. And basically it's just like a giant piece of construction paper. All you do is take measurements of wherever you need the teak mat, and then cut it out of this, mark where the drains are, so on and so forth. Send it off to them and they will custom make a teak mat for you. It's just gonna make the shower floor look better, and also it's just gonna be nicer to stand on, more grippy, I guess. Whatever. We like teak. So I'm gonna do that now. Let's go do it.
Couple reasons.
What's going on?
Number one, this thing is gigantic.
We should probably...
It looks like a kitchen faucet. Number two, this is totally non-standard. Like, there's no two holes like you would normally have for a bathroom faucet. Which I probably should have checked before we bought this, but oh well.
Oh well.
And number three, I don't know what the hell kind of faucet this is, because these PEX pipes go directly into it.
A single one?
No, two of them.
Two of them?
So...
maybe take it apart and see how it works.
I think what I'm going to try to do first is remove the screen and try to fix this faucet and see if it works. If it does, job done. for now.
And for me, it is time for a snack. Oh, that's a good reason why it's clogged up.
Yeah, no flow. Can't even get a drop through there. See that drop hanging on there?
Yeah.
It's regular water. It's flowing in from the garden hose. This is still flowing in from the garden hose, but through the hot water heater, which still has antifreeze in it.
Okay.
That's why you see it's pink. But it shows you both are flowing hot and cold.
Great.
And there's pretty decent pressure in here, so same holds true for the shower. I tested that yesterday.
Okay. Time to move to some glue removal. I'm gonna use my goof off and this other type of goof off here. And I'm gonna use my orbital sander with a 80 grit sandpaper on it to just see if I can't make some headway. I need to get that piece of felt off there too. This is my last big chunk. So, you probably won't be able to understand me very well because I'm in a mask, but that right there took about 30 minutes of work just to get that little tiny bit removed. And this part's going to take probably some sanding, who knows. Anyways, I'm going to keep working on this, but I think this is pretty much going to wrap it up for the day. Here's a nice big pile of dust. I ended up sanding the wall a bit. I got a little bit off. I'll have to continue working on this tomorrow. That's it for today. We got a lot of stuff done. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell next to it so that you'll be notified whenever we release a new video. Stay tuned for day 3 tomorrow. All right, see you later.